Welcome everyone to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Today I will tell you some interesting facts about eagles. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds of prey, with heavy heads and beaks. Any bird of prey more powerful than a buteo. Bald eagles are believed to live 30 years or longer in the wild. Adults measure from 30 to 40 inches from head to tail, with a 7 to 8 foot wingspan. Weigh from 8 to 14 pounds. The female is larger than the male. They can exert upwards of 400 pounds per square inch. Eyesight estimated at 4 to 8 times stronger than that of the average human. Golden eagle in horizontal flight is 110 to 130 km per hour. They can see for over 300 miles from this height. They can reach heights of 10,000 feet. Bald eagles use their beaks for critical tasks, such as building nests, catching food and preening. They can certainly inflict severe or even life-threatening injuries on human beings, although this is extremely rare. Thank you for watching. Tell me your opinion in comment section. We will meet in next video. Goodbye.